Hi everyone, my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel. Today we are going to see how we are able to hide our secret data with these two simple methods. First, we select the range where we want to be hidden. We could right click and choose Format Cell. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control 1 to go to Format Cells dialog. Then you go to Custom. Inside the type in General, remove the General and put triple semicolon. 1, 2, 3. If you press OK, the whole thing is hidden. However, the data is still there whenever you attempt to edit. They are still intact, just the things they are not visible on the screen. And meanwhile, on the second approach is to highlight the whole thing. Same thing, we just right click and format cell. We just want to make sure the font color and the background color they are the same. The easiest way is to make it as a white color. Now you have it, the similar thing. However, the one you change to a color, you will not able to see inside the cell. However, you are able to see in the formula bar. To reverse the effect, let's start with the method 2. To reverse the effect, I select them all, then I right click, then you are able to choose the format cell. Inside the format cells, we go to the font, then the color, you just choose to automatic, and the whole thing will back to normal. Meanwhile, for the formatting, you just need to right click and choose format cell. And because there are many methods of handling, so I just want to show you that one by one. The easiest way is go to general, number and general, press OK, the whole thing appears. However, the date, it doesn't appear correctly because this is how Excel store the date. Only for the date, you just need to change the formatting to the date format that you want. So this is how we're able to hide our data with these two simple methods. If you like and you find this video is useful, please like and share this video. Remember to subscribe this channel so that you're able to stay tuned for more updates in the future. And my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel.